All right, so we're going to practice our dictation now, okay?
Okay.
All right, we're going to start with some sounds. So I'm going to say some sounds, and I want you to say them, repeat after me, and then write them down, and then repeat as you're writing it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, your first sound is ah.
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 Ah. Ah. A. Ah.
Very good. Your next sound is ah.
Ah. Ah. O. Ah.
Perfect. Your next sound is r.
R. R. R. R.
Very good. Your next sound is l.
O. O. L. O.
Okay, this one's a tricky one. Your next sound is ch.
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 Ch. Ch. C. H. Ch.
Do you remember what that's called when two letters make one sound?
Diagraph.
Very good. Nice job. All right, now for the next part, I'm gonna read you some words. I want you to repeat after me and then write them down.
Okay.
And if you need to, you can tap them out like we did before, okay?
Okay.
Okay, your first word is brag.
Brag. Br. G.
Very good. Your next word is best.
S.
The next word is trap. You can tap it out if you need to. Okay, your next word is crop. Good, and the last word is ship. Perfect. Can you reread all those words for me?
Brag. Best. Trap. Crop. Ship.
All right, so remember how we marked up the words the last time?
Yes.
I'd like you to see if you can do that on your own this time, okay?
Okay. Brag. It's a closed syllable. And it's a short A.
Good, so it gets a, what is that called?
Brev?
Very good.
What's the long one called again?
A macron.
Macron?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Best. It's a closed syllable. And it gets the brev.
Good. Why is it a closed syllable?
Because it ends in a consonant.
Very good.
Okay. It's closed. And it gets a brev.
Nice job.
Up. It's closed. And it gets a brev as well.
Good. Now I want you to look at words 1, 2, 3, and 4. What do they all have in common? They all have something in common. What is it? They all have,
A brev?
okay, and at the beginning of brag, and at the end of best, and at the beginning of trap, and at the beginning of crop, they all have,
Consonants?
yeah. And those two consonants make how many sounds?
Brev. Two different sounds.
So that's called a,
Blend.
very good. Okay, and the last one?
Ship. Ship. Closed. And it has a brev.
Very good.
It's a diagraph?
Right. Why is it a diagraph?
Because SH makes one sound.
Perfect. All right, now I'm going to read you some nonsense words, okay? Remember, these are words that are not real. They're totally made up words, okay?
Okay.
And we're just to see how well you can sound them out. First word is trug. You can tap it out if you need to. Trug.
Shrug. G. Rug. Rug.
Okay, your next word is zent.
Z. Zent.
Good. The next word is gren.
G. N.
The next word is stim.
M.
And the last one is blid.
Lid.
Mm-hmm.
Id.
Good. And can you mark those up just like you did with those?
Sure.
Okay.
Z. N. 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 M. Id.
Very good. Now can you turn the page over in your notebook? We're going to do some sight words.
Should I read them again or no?
Sure.
Trug. Ent. Gren. Stim. Blid.
Very good. All right, now these are some sight words, so you should know these pretty well by now, okay?
Okay.
All right, your first one is you. Like, you are doing your work very well.
U. Y-O-U. You.
Great. The next one is from.
From. F-R-O-M.
Mm-hmm. And the next one is about.
About. A-B-O-U-T. About.
Very good. All right, now we're going to move on to the sentences, okay?
Okay.
So I want you to listen to what I say. I'm going to say the sentence, then I want you to repeat it and then write it. And as you're writing it, say it out loud, okay?
Okay.
All right, your first sentence is, Bill fell in the wet sand.
Bill fell in the wet sand. Bill fell in the wet sand.
Good. Now,
Bill.
do you want to pencil it for me?
Bill fell in the wet sand.
Very good. And check it over for, make sure that there's no spelling mistakes, that everything's in the right order, and that you have the correct
No.
punctuation. Looks good?
Yeah.
All right, you ready for your next sentence? Okay. Mom will mend the rip in the dress.
Mom will mend mom will mend the rip in the dress. Mom will mend the rip in the dress.
Good. And can you pencil it for me? Scoop the words.
Mom mend the rip in the dress.
Okay. And everything looks good? Spelling and punctuation and all that? Everything looks good to you?
Should I read it?
Sure.
Mom will mend the rip in the dress.
Perfect. All right, your last sentence. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
The class must get a flag.
The class must get a flag. The class must get a flag.
Good, and just pencil it.
Okay.
Okay, and read it out loud.
The class must get a flag.
Very good.
Okay. Thanks.